That means they knew about the earthquakes.
Yeah.
And they were here for a long time to know that now and then, every 100 years, they will have an earthquake.
Yeah.
Okay, so they already rebuilt the city several times, maybe. Nobody
Okay.
knows how many times, but they already did it. But why the last time they didn't do it? Because it wouldn't be any good. They will rebuild it, they will spend money, but the boats will carry all the goods.
Yeah.
So why? They didn't need to. Just like this is the reason why. Okay? And the thing about this building, look, can you see the holes?
Yeah.
This whole building was covered by white marble too. Look at the stairs down there. This is what left of that white marble. Can you see it?
Yeah.
From here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is what's left of it. Any questions? A temple of the great god Dushara.
These are the pillars, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Could be.
Good?
Yeah.